Hi, I'm Mike with Mattioni Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. Most homeowners have similar questions when considering tankless water heaters, like cost, fit, and whether they're actually better than traditional tank-type water heaters. In this video, we'll cover everything from pros and cons to maintenance and pricing, so you can make a confident, informed decision on if a tankless water heater is right for you and your home. What are the pros and cons of tankless versus traditional water heaters? The biggest pro of a tankless water heater is that it heats water on demand. That means you'll never run out of hot water like you can with a traditional tank. They're also more energy efficient over time because they don't store heated water 24/7. The biggest con is tankless systems typically cost more upfront, both in terms of equipment and installation, and they do require a bit more routine maintenance. Who is a good fit for a tankless system? Tankless systems are great if you are looking to save money on energy costs. They are also great for homes that may typically run out of hot water with a tank type, as it heats water on demand. Tankless water heaters are also perfect for those who have space constraints, as they are smaller and typically are mounted on a wall. What is the average lifespan of a tankless water heater? With proper maintenance, tankless water heaters can outlast traditional tank-type water heaters, lasting around 15 years compared to a tank type's 10 years. They also typically have great warranties that include 15 years on the heat exchanger and 5 years on other parts. What type of maintenance is required on a tankless water heater? Tankless water heaters need yearly maintenance. Once a year, you should have a plumbing professional flush the unit to remove scale and mineral buildup, clean the filter, and inspect the burners and vents to ensure nothing is damaged. This maintenance will help your unit live to its 15-year lifespan and even potentially beyond. What are some signs that I may need a repair or replacement of my current tankless water heater? A few signs your tankless water heater may need attention include fluctuating water temperature, a drop in water pressure, error codes on the unit's display, discolored or rusty water, and water leaks around the unit. Catching these signs early can often prevent a full breakdown or the need for a replacement. How much does a tankless water heater install or replacement cost? Tankless water heaters cost about $5,500 to $7,000 to purchase and install. Some factors that can affect the price are the brand, efficiency, and size of the tankless water heater you have installed, and the complexity of the install. If you're interested in getting a quote for a tankless water heater, or if you think your current one needs a repair or replacement, give us a call or schedule online with real-time availability, or head over to our Learning Center to learn even more about your home.